Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, and this video is about InFocus Vision 3 and I will talk about this particular device. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So this device has a MediaTek processor, a 2 GB of RAM and 13 megapixel camera, which was the greatest thing. Also this device has a fingerprint on the back, so we won't talk about that thing. The DPI is 320. So basically these are the technical specifications, and mostly the important thing is it doesn't support so many sensors. There is just only proximity sensor that is supported by MTK, light sensor, heart rate is not supported, and the Antutu score is 33640, which is not the greatest thing. Like, it is an entry level smartphone. That's totally nice for this. And the back camera is of 13 megapixel. There is a dual lenses on the camera. Fingerprint is there. Power button is bit smaller. There is a SIM ejector slot on top of the power button, and while using this smartphone it feels pretty light. The display is great. The brightness is totally good under the direct sunlight, and must subscribe to the channel so that we can continue with these kind of or more videos. So let's talk more into it. The fingerprint on this smartphone is an average working fingerprint. Like, it is not the fastest fingerprint, but yeah, it unlocks the phone in a very significant way. So we can consider the fingerprint as just a good add-on to this price range budget smartphone. So this smartphone has 4000 mAh battery, which works pretty well, but because of Smile UI, it doesn't give that full power to this particular device. As we saw in Redmi 4, that 4000 mAh battery was totally an amazing thing, but in this it lacks somewhere. Let's talk about camera. Basically now I am using the camera on this, and I'm gonna add samples into the video so that you can check out these samples as per of your requirements. Like, you want to see the original picture or something like that, I'm clicking those pictures, okay? And the thing is, this phone has decent thing, but the light is coming up more, and you can take this smartphone has an extra effect like circle, multi PIP watermark effects, HDR timer and settings. Basically these things come up with every single smartphone in the market, okay? But the new thing is PIP, like back camera and front camera को एक साथ यूज करना एक ही टाइम पे. And this is the thing that I don't think इसका कोई यूज भी है. Like, I'm in mountains, okay, and I wanna capture a photo. मेरा सेल्फी भी आए और एक बैकग्राउंड का एक माउंटेन भी आए, बट उसका बेनिफिट क्या है यार? I want to take a selfie with that mountain thing and I will go like this. Oh my god. On a serious note, the performance on this smartphone is a decent performance, but not a great performance. Like, I can use the smartphone for a daily use. Like, my mom can use a smartphone for her use, but the touch is not great. Performance is just okay. The camera is just okay. Battery is totally amazing. The design is so amazing. The display is the best, I think, for 7000 rupees. So guys, this is an average smartphone, so forget the gaming, okay? You can just play Candy Crush kind of games or Little Bit of Subway Surfers, etc, etc, etc. You can not play heavy games on this smartphone, first of all. Second thing, the battery is totally an amazing thing on this particular piece, okay? Third thing, the display is amazing. Fourth thing, touch is not amazing, okay? I hope you get it. Fifth thing, the design is 4 out of 5, and if I talk overall for this, it's 3 out of 5. And why 3 out of 5? It has so many issues. Probably they're gonna update the device with software fixes or whatever they told on the launch event, but as per of today's purpose, this device gets a 3 out of 5. And if you want to, you can, but there are many other options in the market. So guys, like the video, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much guys for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Peace out. Roll next roll.